Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of At That Moment. Today we are cooking spinach artichoke dip in the crock pot. So grab your crock pot, pop it on high, and let's get started. First, I'm going to start off by chopping up me some artichokes. I normally just grab a can, 112 ounce is perfectly fine for this dish. If you like more artichokes, of course add more. If you like less, take some away. Once I get those chopped, I'm going to go ahead and dump those in my crock pot. Alright, once I get that in, I'm going to clean and chop me some spinach. Personally for me, I don't like stringy artichoke dip, spin artichoke dip. So I kind of try to give it a good chop. Not too fine, but at least for me, when I scoop, it's not stringy, my scoop. Now once you get that all chopped to your liking, go ahead and pop that into your crock pot. Next I have cream cheese. You can use your store brand or Philadelphia, completely up to you what brand you want to use. I used Philadelphia this time because it was on sale. Once I get that chopped, I space it out throughout the dish so it can melt evenly. Next, it's time for the cheese, my favorite part. I'm going to add half a bag of mozzarella, followed by half a bag of the 5 cheese Italian cheeses. So equal parts of both of those. Pop that top on. Once you do that, set your timer. I like to do it for a little over an hour. As we all know, spinach cook quick, so you really just bring in all of your flavors together. And voila, that's how it's look once you stir everything all together. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe before you leave today, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye, stars.